Okay, so everyone, see me again. This time we are going to make a music instrument called maracas. You know how to make a maracas? Everyone knows how to make a maracas. It's so easy and simple. You just need a useful bottle like this that you can find at home. Yeah, and then you can I have corn here, corn seed. It's a popcorn. I always make a popcorn. Do you like popcorn? Yeah? Okay, now you put it in the bottle. The popcorn, put it in the bottle. Ooh, so many popcorn that can make a sound. Yeah? Come on. Mommy can help you to make these maracas. Then, okay, yes. Okay, I have my maracas. You can change the bottle with any bottles that you can find at home, and you can change the corn with some coins or any seeds that you can find at home, like rice, yeah. But it's not finished yet. We have to cover it up so it can be pretty, yeah. And I want to cover it up with a piece of paper, yellow paper, and you're gonna need some glue. And I use watercolor, red, blue, and green. You put them in a plate like this, and you can use one finger, one little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Okay, let's do it. Now, you're gonna measure this paper with the bottle, yeah? And then you have to cut it out with a scissor. Mommy can help you with the scissor. Be careful, it's so dangerous. Now you use one finger to glue the bottle. Okay, don't too much. Just need some glue over here. Okay. Glue, 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 glue everywhere. Glue, glue everywhere. Yay! Okay. Now you wrap it up with the paper. Okay, be careful. Yep. Okay, gluing the other side. Glue, glue, glue. Everywhere glue. Okay, cover it up. Yay! And then downside glue. Yeah. Okay. Okay, finished. Oh, your finger is so dirty of glue, so you're gonna need a towel to clean up your finger. Don't worry, it's become clean again. Then we wait for a few seconds and let it dry. Yeah? Now we get ready to paint it. Okay, use your one finger here. I'm gonna make some balloons here. Red, blue, and some green. You know how to sing balloons? Balloons are red, balloons are blue, balloons are green and yellow too. Okay, now the strings. Oops. The strings. Yay, balloons, balloons everywhere. Yeah. And green balloons. Okay, balloons. You're gonna paint the other side. The other side, I want to make some flowers. Okay, some tree. Okay, yeah. The flowers are red, 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 flowers everywhere. Ooh, yay! A bouquet of flowers. You can give it a bouquet of flowers to your mommy. I give you this bouquet, mommy, and I give you balloons for you. Okay, now the instrument is ready. You can play. Okay, let's play the maracas and sing along with me. You know how to sing a song. If you're happy and you know we shake the bottle. Okay, get ready. Okay, let's do it. Sing along with me. Touch your nose, not, not. If you're happy and you know it, touch your nose, not, not. If you're happy and you know it, touch your nose, not, not. If you're happy and you know it, then you have to really show it. If you're happy and you know it, touch your nose, not, not. Now can you do the left? If you're happy and you know it, say hooray!